Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can create games using the AI tool. So here we go. So first of all, just type here GDevelop and we need to open that website gdevelop.io. Click on start creating your game. You can download the software or you can create the games online also. So I'm going to use here the online version. So let's click on the start creating your game. Done. Now let's create an account and here you can use the Google option to log in. It's done. Okay. Now in the left side you will see the build option. Now we can see the create project. Let's click on this. Now you will see the project name. So you need to put the project name. So first of all, make sure what type of app you are creating. So suppose you can create the mobile, desktop. I'm going to try the desktop or mobile one, this one. And project name is like first new game like this. Okay. You can save that in the ZApp cloud like this. Now you can see the AI option. Okay. Generate a pre-made AI scenes with assets. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just type something, create a game with city and walking man, something like this. Okay, let's try click on create a project, how that AI will understood our overall, thoughts and what project he will create. We can modify it according to our requirement. Let's see how that will work. Amazing. As you can see here, this is generated this game. Let's try to preview that is working or not, or this is just a scene. So let's try it. Let's click on the preview button. It's opening. Oh, it's open. That's really cool. Now you just created. Oh my God. Yes. OMG. That's really fantastic. You can see. Yes, that's really amazing. You just create your game in just few minutes. You can modify. As you can see here, this is the angle. You can create your own character using this symbol, or you can use other things like this. Okay, that's really fantastic. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.